Hi there, I'm Scott from Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer. Today we're talking about homemade do-it-yourself weed killers. This is something that we found in our greenhouses, a recipe that we found that works and works very well. We don't like using the Roundup or the glyphosates because they're harmful. And in a greenhouse setting like this, it can circulate, and with the moisture going up and then raining down on our plants and flowers, we can't have a chemical like Roundup that can harm the rest of our flowers and plants. So this is something that we found that works really well. We tinkered around with a lot of different recipes, and this one really works the best. And it's just a gallon of white vinegar, your regular Blue Dawn dish soap, and Epsom salt. So just those three ingredients. So first you start with the Dawn dish soap, and it's only a quarter cup. So you pour it into a sprayer, quarter cup of Dawn dish soap, 2 cups of the Epsom salt, pour that into your sprayer, and then an entire 1 gallon jug of white vinegar, pour that in, close it up, and shake it up and mix it up really well. And what you'll do is you'll go ahead and spray this on your weeds that you want to get rid of, and just go ahead and spray and cover those weeds. It does have to be a hot day though. Okay, that's what we found is really the key. Is you can't do this on a cool or certainly not a wet day. It has to be full sun and a good warm day, and it really, because then it's warm out, the plants, their leaves the pores are really open, and this mixture will get in, and boy, in 2-3 hours you'll notice those weeds shriveling right down. And it does kill the really hard to kill stuff like the purslane weed that, boy, if you spray the Roundup or the glyphosates on them, sometimes they don't die. But this stuff, it's worked really well for us. And again, in the greenhouses, it's not this really harsh chemical. Works well. So make sure it's a hot day. Just the vinegar, Dawn dish soap, and the Epsom salt. And we have all these ingredients on our blog, and we'll put a link in this description that will take you to that blog site, and you can see before and after pictures too, and it'll spell out also the recipe for that. So hope that helps. It's a great way to go through and get rid of your weeds naturally, and we'll see you soon.